Hey guys, today I'm going to do a real quick demo for you on the SCOTCHMAN SU-280. It's basically an 8x8 bandsaw. It does come with a 1-inch wide bandsaw. It does have carbide guides, blade rollers, dual coolant on the leading edge and the trailing edge of your blade. It also will miter for you. It's got dead stops here at 90 degrees, but you can unlock the head, rotate it all the way around to 60 degrees, or stop anywhere in between. It does have a degree gauge so you know where you're at. We're going to be cutting some solid hex stock today. We can also adjust the width of our guides, blade guides. We're going to bring those down, close them up a little bit to get more accuracy. We do have a guide roller in the back that can be paired up with an in-feed table. We also have out-feed tables with manual stops or digital quick stops. Quick adjustment of your vise. We're going to come up to our material, back off just a hair, lock it in place. Now we have a cam lock, and that's our vicing and unvicing. It's real simple, real easy. The control panel is easy. You got an emergency stop. You got a blade speed switch, low speed and high speed, and a coolant switch. That's all there is to running the saw. You do also have a downfeed regulator, so you can speed that up or slow it down depending on what you're cutting. We've got a quick trigger pull. Starts the saw. We've got a rapid approach. Slow it down when we get close to the material. This is 1.25" solid hex shaft. Saw shuts off when it's done. Pick it up, locks in place, and there's our cut.